Hello student, in the last lecture you have studied the dissociation of acid, dissociation of base in the water as well as the dissociation of water also. You know the dissociation means the formation of ion of the acid or base in the water. You know that acid gives the positive and negative ion in the water as well as bases also gives the positive and negative ion in the waters. You remember one important point again, the pure water is also dissociate weakly. You know the formula of water H2O. H2 is acts as a weak electrolyte. Pure water dissociate and to form a hydrogen and hydroxide ion. काय सांगतो मी आज आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे पाण्यातलं डिसोसिएशन वीक असल्यामुळे तो काय देतो हायड्रोजन आणि हायड्रॉक्साइड आयन देतो. Due to this property of the water, every aqueous solution contain the different percentage of or proportion of hydrogen and hydroxide ions. या गुणधर्मामुळे पाण्याच्या गुणधर्मामुळे प्रत्येक पाण्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन आणि हायड्रॉक्साइड आयनची संहती किंवा कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे वेगवेगळं असतं. लक्षात यावरूनच आपल्याला माहिती आहे की प्रत्येक पदार्थामध्ये पाणी जिथं तिथं हायड्रोजन हायड्रॉक्साइड आयन प्रमाण असतंच. आपण मातीचं उदाहरण घेऊ. यू टेक द सॅम्पल ऑफ सॉइल. सम samples of soil is acidic in nature, some sample soil are basic in nature, some sample soils are neutral in nature. Why? In acidic nature the concentration of hydrogen ion is high. In case of basic nature the concentration of hydroxide ion is high. In the neutral soil both hydrogen and hydroxide ion is same. It means that the concentration of hydrogen ion determine the property of the any substance. It may be acidic, basic or neutral. This is a very important point, you remember. And you remember one important point, at 25 degrees centigrade temperatures, the pure water gives the 1 into 10 to power minus 7 of hydrogen ion moles per liter. At which temperature? At 25 centigrade temperature, pure water gives the how many hydrogen concentrations? 1 into 10 to power minus 7 moles per liter. Understand? If you take the concentration of HCl at same temperature, if you take the 1 mole of HCl solution, then what is the concentration of hydrogen ion? The concentration of hydrogen ion of 1 mole HCl at same temperature is 1 into 10 to power 0 moles per liter. And if you take the hydrogen concentrations of the 1 molar NaOH solution, then the concentration of hydrogen ion is 1 into 10 to power minus 14 moles per liter. काय पाहतो आपण 25 सेंटीग्रेड टेम्परेचरला प्युअर पाणी किती हायड्रोजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेट देतं 1 गुणिले 10चा घातांक वजा 7. 1 मोलार HCl किती देतं 1 गुणिले 10चा घातांक 0 मोल्स पर लिटर. 1 मोलार NaOH किती देतं हायड्रोजन आयन 1 इन 10 to power minus 14 moles per liter. In 1909 scientist Sorensen carried out the different experiments. On the basis of this experiment he introduced the new scale for determination of hydrogen ion concentrations. That scale is known as pH scale. What is the pH scale? The Sorensen introduced the for identification of acidic, basic or neutral solution. The scale which is useful for the identification of acidic, basic or neutral solution, this scale is called as the pH scale. What is the P here? In case of pH, P stand for proteinge. Proteinge means strength and H for hydrogen ion concentration. What is the meaning of pH? चा अर्थ काय होतो हायड्रोजन आयन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ची संहती strength of hydrogen ion concentration is the meaning of the pH. The scale is start from 0 to 14. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The scientist Sorensen carried out different experiments of aqueous solution of acid and base. Then he observed that the solution of the acidic solution, in case of acidic solution, the pH is in between 0 to 7. It means that the acidic solution pH is 0 to 7 and basic solution pH is above the 7 to 14. This is the basic or alkaline solution. And for neutral solution, the pH is 7. All right, mathematically, if the pH equal to 7, the solution is neutral in nature. If pH is less than 7, solution is acidic in nature. If pH is greater than 7, the solution is basic or alkaline in nature. अंडरस्टँड या स्केलवर आपण काय सांगू शकतो की कोण्या पदार्थाचा किंवा द्रावणाचा पीएच आपण तो आम्ल आहे का आम्लरी आहे का उदासीन आहे हे आपण सांगू शकतो. कशावरून सांगायचं? टेक द aqueous solution of given compounds and dip the pH paper. pH paper, you remember, pH paper is made from the universal indicator. What is the universal indicator? The indicator which is made from the different types of synthetic indicator in definite proportion. Such indicator called the universal indicator. Universal indicator also used for the identification of acidic, basic and neutral solution. By using the universal indicator, nowadays pH paper is manufactures. By using the pH paper, you are easily identify the acidic basic solution, take the aqueous solution of a given substance or salt and dip the pH paper and observe the color of the paper on the pH scale. If the color is in between 1 to 6 or 7, then the solution is acidic. If the color formed on the pH paper is in above the 7 to 14, the solution is basic. If the color is formed equal to 7, then the solution is neutral in nature. And you remember one important point, mathematically pH is written like this. pH is equal to negative log to the base 10 hydrogen ion concentrations.